Studios. We're super excited to have you here today. Papa Smurf is welcoming Smurf up the game.
Hello! You picked the perfect day to visit. We're smurfing the new blockbuster movie starring Smurfette. It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurf-tastic. It's got space Smurfs, jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number.
Everybody has a different job to Smurf.
Hi, I'm Handy Smurf, the camera operator.
Hello, I'm Smurfette. And I'm the star.
I'm Brainy Smurf, the director. I'm going to be the star of their movie. Yeah. Lights, camera, we're rolling film, and action.
Hurry! The devil is going to Smurf down.
Did I tell you? I'll be the star of this movie.
Hey, they're not listening.
This time I know I'm dying!
We're rolling.
Untentacle me, vile weed. You call this hospitality? Starve this vicious beastie.
If I can't be the star, then I'll ruin this picture! Hey! Whoa!
Look at our guests. They're Smurf Blue. Let's put them in the finale.
Okay, Papa. I just have to take care of a pesky little...
Next time, I will be the star!
Gargamel helped me discover new stars.
It was great to work with you. Let's do lunch.
We'll see you in the movies!
Welcome to the premiere. If your good day